Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how it is possible to make simulations for circuits that are in more pages. Let's see here we have a schematic 1 and we have 2 pages. Why? Because the page is too small and the circuit I'm trying to simulate is too big for this. For just one schematic, for just one page. That's why I decided to put 2 pages. If you want to do this, it is possible, but consider that if you have signals that go from page 1 to page 2 or page 3, page 4, doesn't matter, then you have to use the off-page connector. The off-page connector is here, just one of these, and as the connector name says, you are able right now to send these results or this data to the page 2 to the rotor model. Okay, so that's one of the options to do this. Another option you have is once you are here in page 1, you could click on options, schematic page properties, and you could make bigger the page. The issue is right now you can see that you can develop your circuit much more. You could do it bigger, but you lose a little bit the global vision because you are not seeing the whole or perfectly the whole circuit. That's why it doesn't matter which option you use. At the end, just consider that you have these options, and that if you decide to include more pages with signals between different pages, among different pages, then you have to use off-page connector. I hope it helps. Bye bye.